Ever wondered how to stop Google Tag Manager from running on your site without breaking anything? Whether you're thinking permanent removal or just want a temporary pause, this guide will walk you through both options step by step in the simplest way possible. Let's start with completely disabling Google Tag Manager by removing it from your website. This is the long-term solution. Head into your site's HTML and look for the Tag Manager container code. You'll usually find two parts: the main script tag that loads the container and a no-script backup tag for visitors with JavaScript turned off. Both of these work together to make Tag Manager function. Once you've located them, delete both sections from your HTML. Make sure the code is fully removed. Partial removal could still trigger scripts. Once those tags are gone, Google Tag Manager no longer loads and no tags will fire on your website. This method works best if you're done with Tag Manager or switching to another system altogether. But if you only want to pause Tag Manager without touching your site's code, there's an easier route. Log into your Google Tag Manager account and open the container you want to adjust. Inside, you'll see all the tags currently set up to run. Click one of the tags you'd like to pause. In the top right corner, there's a menu with 3 dots. Open it, and you'll see an option to pause. Select pause and repeat this for any other tag you want to temporarily disable. This prevents them from firing while keeping your setup and data intact. When you're done pausing the tags, make sure you submit and publish the changes. Nothing takes effect until you publish, so don't skip that step. Both of these methods give you control over how your site tracks, fires tags, and handles data. You can choose a clean break by removing the code entirely, or simply hit pause from within your Tag Manager account without losing your configurations. If this breakdown helped, stick around for more practical walkthroughs just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.